Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 examples of imperative sentences. Number 1. Close the door. Number 2. Open your book. Number 3. Turn off the lights. Number 4. Listen to the teacher. Number 5. Be quiet. Number 6. Follow the rules. Number 7. Call me later. Number 8. Clean your room. Number 9. Help your friend. Number 10. Enjoy your meal. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.